What an absolute shitbag.
To disclose travel they accepted that was paid for by private sources or a foreign government if the cost of travel exceeds the statutory threshold for calendar years 2010, 20.
There's one. Cold Stone.
Bro.
Yeah. Are you kidding me? You want to get like that? You ran a stop sign, buddy. You ran a stop sign.
But look, since you're talking about Hamas right here at the moment, I'll throw my 2 cents in. I'm really surprised after all that Israel has gone through.
No. No. You just hit me. You just hit me. It doesn't matter. I want to file a report. I don't care. No. I'm going to follow you to wherever you go for hitting me. I don't care. You hit me. Whatever you say. Hello? Did you hear that? This woman just hit me. They finally pull over. They're swearing at me. He says, if you follow me, I'll kill you. You can hear me. I don't care. That's why you shouldn't hit me. I don't care. You just admitted you hit me. No. Did you hear that? It's a Michigan license. Now she just threw a can into my windshield. Michigan license plate. It's a Jeep 4x4. Now they just threw a bag at me. EMK 3152.
But as long as you love me so.
Oh my god! Jesus!
Nothing I can't.
You know. True. Listen now. Just so we have that in our head. Excuse you. Stay in your lane.
What the?
Oh my god. Is that okay?
That made me think, why did they even bother getting comedians? Because I'm going to tell you people, there is nothing funnier than a goth on a Dodger. You understand? Where'd you get that space from? Norwich?
Pode fazer no canal.
Pode ser.
Algum bagulho é
Pode
foda,
ser,
cara.
pra gente,
É play da vida real.
pra gente quebrar a paradigma do negócio. É isso, gente. Nos encontramos na próxima semana. Tchau.
Which is the bread part, and then you spread the red sauce all over it, and then after that you put, whoa, look at, oh gosh, dude, what is wrong with these people?
What just happened?
They just got in an accident because the guy wasn't paying attention.